I want to say that we have seen a scheme to remove Justice Martha Koome from office as Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court. And I want to say, sisi tumesimama na Martha Koome, na hii maneno ya kumnyang'anya askari na nini ni kumuzia uoga so that she can resign. I want to ask my sister, Lady Justice Martha Koome, don't be intimidated. Don't. Stay put. You are doing a good job. Continue making sure that this is a country of the rule of law and constitutionalism. There is even a bigger scheme to dismantle the Supreme Court ahead of the 2027 elections. A budget has been set aside through the National Intelligence Service, and all those petitions you are seeing against Justice Martha Koome, against judges of the Supreme Court, is the machinations of the state, because they would like to put a Supreme Court, a bench that is amiable to what those in power want.